call with all my heart. Answer me, O Lord, that I may observe your laws. I call upon you. Save me, that I may keep your decrees. I rise before dawn and cry for help. I hope for your word. My eyes greet each watch of the night as I meditate on your promise. Hear my voice as befits your steadfast love. Oh Lord, preserve me as is your rule. Those who pursue intrigue draw near. They are far from your teaching. You, O Lord, are near, and all your commandments are true. I know from your decrees of old that you have established them forever. Is your rule. Those who pursue intrigue draw near. They are far from your teaching. You, O Lord, are near, and all your commandments are true. I know from your decrees of old that you have established them forever.